Mbere ya mucirithania Faith Kawira athitagwo Ivy Kimani Wangare, Joseph Kimani Gasha, Mary Wanjiru Gasha, George Gasha Kimani na Kelvin Munyiri Kimani aria ni arugamiria kambuni ya Gypsy Civil and Building Constructors Limited ni maraganio na thitango icio kuria marekereirio na mundu o muigana wa mbeca baribari ciringi mirioni 2 kana bodi ya ciringi mirioni 3.
Of the sixth accused entity, I am alive to the provisions of the bail bond policy guidelines in as far as granting bail and bond relates. The main purpose of bail and bond is to ensure that an accused person attends court. It should not be exorbitant, as that would defeat the essence of granting it in the first instance.
Thitango ingi iria magomeirwo nicio ni kwaga gucokia igoti marita mundu kiumbe kuria mareganire na thitango icio na kurekererio na mbeca baribari ciringi 100 kana bodi ya ciringi 200.
Noting that Ms. Ochieng, the prosecuting counsel, is not opposed to granting the bail, I must be alive to the nature of the offences herein and the penalty that each of the offences attract. With all these considerations in mind, I am of the view that a cash bail of Kenya shillings 2 million with an alternative of a bond of Kenya shillings 3 million with a surety of like sum is reasonable in the circumstances.
Na thengia wa wakiri wao Levi Munyiri kugeria kuiguithia igoti kunyihia muigana ucio ni reganirwo nario na igoti rikiuga mbeca iria matacoketie ta igoti ni nyingi makiria.
My lady, who cannot be able to raise
Reu ciro yugathikiririo ringi tariki 23 kiumia turorete. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, njitagwo Wahu wa Ngugi.